Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, we'll see what steps we can take to install the update with the number KB5036893 if it's not installed properly. Let's start with the steps. Step 1. Open the Start menu and type Services. Once it's open, locate the service named App Readiness. Open it. Set the startup type to automatic. Click Apply, then click Start. And finally, click OK. Step 2. Open File Explorer and navigate to the C drive. Make sure to show hidden files by going to the View tab and selecting Hidden Items. Once hidden files are visible, locate the folder named WinRegent. Move it to another location like the desktop. Try installing the update. And after finishing, move the folder back to its original location. Step 3. Open Control Panel. Click on System, then navigate to Troubleshoot and then Other Troubleshoots. Under Windows Update, click Run. Step 4. Open the Start menu, type Services, and open it. Locate Windows Update. Open it and set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click Start. If it's not already started, then click OK. Keep selecting Windows Update and then restart the service. Stay in Services and look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Repeat the same steps and click Restart the service. Step 5. Open the Start menu, type CMD and run it as administrator. Copy and paste all the commands one by one using right-click or Ctrl+V. You'll find all the commands described in the video.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
So bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
Till you break down.
This ain't what you want, phenomenon.
game over.
They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. But could you love her? A haunted, haunted house. Or could you love me now? A haunted in the dead of night.
There will be a time. I'll find you there.
Here tonight. Got me. I got no rival. It's no longer the same. We need to get out of
And of course, the last step will take some time, and the final command will scan the disks after restarting. Hopefully, the problem will be resolved. See you in the next video.